So, why would a workshop need technical vehicle data? Have you ever had a need for a single source for maintenance, repair and diagnostic information? HaynesPro Workshop Data offers one single access to most makes based on OEM data. This allows you to offer top quality service without compromising OE warranty cover. It's very easy to use. Most data is no more than 2 clicks away, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently, saving you precious time and money. Furthermore, a single workshop data license allows for access to up to 4 devices in your workshop at the same time. Vehicle identification is easy. You can search, for example, by VRM, engine code, VIN, or use the manual search tree. Once your vehicle has been identified, you can create either a maintenance schedule or access our repair data. Here you can find our technical drawings, including tightening torques, and also repair manuals on tasks such as dashboard removal and even ADAS calibration manuals. Unique to Workshop Data is our guided diagnostics module called VESA, which stands for Vehicle Electronics Smart Assistant. VESA is a clever module which allows you to reduce your non-billable hours by offering smart solutions and workarounds for complicated tasks. VESA allows up to 7 fault codes to be entered simultaneously, from which it presents a list of fault code descriptions together with a suggested list of components to test. Based on the fault codes, Workshop Data will also give you a list of verified fixes and tips sourced from renowned helpdesk organizations and industry experts, technical service bulletins and recall data linked to those fault codes. So, do you want to expand your technical expertise, save time and improve customer satisfaction? Don't hesitate and sign up for a HaynesPro Workshop Data license.